The importance of these events is really to show how SharpCloud's been used by different organisations.
We have quite a lot of tools, disconnected tools. None of them is really interactive, even for the client side, neither for the internal stakeholders. So SharpCloud bridges that gap, because if it's disorganized data, it's not interactive and it's very hard to get it.
It was good to start to understand different use cases. It's nice to see that financial information can be visualized in the SharpCloud environment. So I thought that was really useful for a broader range of folks in the audience.